If you want to view unusual activity in WebWork, you can do that by going down to Monitoring, then go to Unusual Activity, and then from here you'll be able to view all the data. So for example, here at the top you can filter by members, teams, titles, member type, time period. Then you can also choose which columns will appear, so for example date, high activity, consistent activity, and etc. Now here at the bottom you can actually see the data. So for example here you can see the member, the date, high activity, consistent activity, low keyboard input, low mouse input, no breaks, total incentives, and total time. If you want to understand how this is calculated, you can go to the Help Center. There you can see all the methods and formulas that are used. Then here at the right you can actually view the details of the actions. So for example, if we click here on this icon, here you'll be able to view the short description as well as the date and the time this happened. Then we have chart. Here you'll be able to see the data as a chart. So again, you can filter by members, teams, titles, and etc., as well as edit the chart type. So for example, a bar chart or a pie chart, as well as change the color scheme. Then down here at the bottom, you can change the data. So for example, what to show and what each slice represents. Then at the bottom here, we have omit zero values. What that means is that any value that is zero will not be shown on the chart. And in the top right section, you can click export. Here you can export as a PDF file. Another way you can make charts is by simply dragging and dropping the area you want to create a chart for, then clicking right click. Here you can go ahead and either export or create a chart. I'll go ahead and create a bar chart. And as you can see, you can view the chart here. In the right section here, you can edit the chart. So for example, the chart type, the data, the format. And if you want to download the chart, you can simply click on the chart and press download chart. Now if you want to export this data, you can go to the top right corner and click export. Here you can export as a CSV, Excel, or PDF file, or you can simply click share. Here you can share this link with someone who doesn't have access to WebWork and they'll still be able to view the data. Here is how the link looks like. As you can see, I can view all the data, and on this website I do not have access to WebWork, but I can still view the data. And lastly, you can schedule reports. This way you can get automated reports to your email. Here you need to fill in that email address, subject, message, title, then choose the file type, so for example CSV, Excel, or PDF, as well as what columns will be included. Then at the bottom here you should choose the date frequency, so daily, weekly, bi-weekly, as well as the report period, so today, yesterday, this week, and so on. And at the very end you should select the time zone and what time you want to receive this report. Once you're done, you can go ahead and press save.